to the vlog, and happy birthday if today is your birthday. I hope your day is off to a lovely start. Mine is, although it's going a little bit slower than I wanted it to go. Got a workout in this morning though, which is very unlike me. I never ever do morning workouts, but I'm not gonna be around this evening, and I wanted to make sure that I got a third in for the week at least, and then hoping to get 1 or 2 in this weekend as well, because Connor and I are having a really chill weekend, so there's no reason not to. I definitely want to make sure I at least hit that 3 mark, so I'm pleased about that. I was very sore. It was not my best because I just am hurting, in particular my legs. I did like a big leg circuit during my last workout before this one, and man, it hurts. It hurts to do everything. Got a chai going, and it's Thursday, so love that for me. I wonder what day it is for you guys. I feel like it's Wednesday for you. Wednesday? Yeah, but I didn't get to ask you guys on Monday, I don't think, what your goal is for the week. So it's not too late. How about instead of your goal for the week, it's something that you're looking forward to for the rest of the week, since we're already on Wednesday. So here is the deal for today. I am going to be working here for about the next 3-ish hours, and then I need to get ready, and I'm actually heading over to Brendan's, and we're just gonna hang out. I'm bringing my laptop because I just have like little things that I want to get done while I'm there, because basically our plan is to like sit there and start binging a season of Survivor just for fun. So that'll be really fun. It'll be great to catch up with him. It's been a little while, and I'll just do like some emails and random little things like that while I'm there. But should be a good day. And then I actually will not be vlogging tonight because Connor and I are actually going over to his family's house for dinner. He has some family who lives right near us here in LA. And while we're there, they're going to like show us what needs to be done around their house, because we are house sitting for them this weekend and watching their pup, which I'm very excited for. Cannot wait to hang out with Cooper for the whole weekend. It's gonna be awesome. I think they're just going away to like San Diego or something with their kids. Anyway, it's gonna be a lovely time, and that's what like mine and Connor's sort of weekend plans are, just to relax as much as possible. We sort of feel like we've been go recently, and that we just really need a more chill weekend to just like recoup, relax. So it'll just be very chill. We're just gonna like stay home, play some games, eat some good food, relax, read a lot. They have a great backyard, so we're excited to just sit back there and read. Just have a good old person weekend, and we're really looking forward to it. Okay, my chai is ready. Let me go get it. Yum. My mug. I love it so much. Ooh, this sounds delicious right now. Whew, just went into such a deep, dark work hole and got so much off of my to-do list so quickly. I'm honestly very impressed with myself. So feeling very good about that. But I did want to show you guys something sort of funny. So if you remember from a couple vlogs ago, I showed you the flowers that Connor and I got from the farmer's market. And these flowers have been growing so much. I mean like growing, like not even just opening up, like they are getting crazy. And I want to show you what I mean. These were the flowers on Monday, and let me show you them now. And even this was so much taller than on Sunday when I had put them in this little pig originally. And look at this craziness now. They're like taller, and all of these tiny buds have grown up so much, and they're gonna like bloom so pretty. Some of them are like super heavy and just like hang down like this. It's so funny. And same thing over here. Like look at all of these big blooms that are just like popping up and growing so big. But I love it. It's so cute. Molly Cat, what were you just scratching at? That chair? You are not allowed to scratch at chairs like that. Bad girl. The trials and tribulations of being a mother. Am I right? Okay, anyway, I'm going to work on lunch now. Connor has been out all morning at the office working on like a demo, but he will be home in like a minute at this point, and so we're both gonna do just some salads for lunch, which should be really good. All right, salad is complete and looking so good. I'm actually really craving this right now. It's gonna be delicious. How's yours with the salmon?
Super yummy.
Good?
Thank you.
Of course. Just throwing my shoes on now and heading over to Connor's. No, not to Connor's. I'm at Connor's. To Brendan's, my other boyfriend. I also have a little star patch on my face because I got a little zit, but my mask will cover it up, so I don't care. And then once I'm with Brendan, I really don't care. So we are going for it. at Brendy's now.
Hi, vlog.
And we have just been relaxing. Brendan went to Chick-fil-A for lunch and he brought me.
Your camera?
It is.
Wow.
Yeah, pretty nice, eh?
Wow.
I know, it has a little zoom. Ooh, right on the star patch.
I'm just kidding.
I did call you my boyfriend earlier in this vlog because I was telling the vlog, oh, I'm about to go
Hang
to
out with my boyfriend.
Brendan's, but I said like, oh, I'm about to head out to Connor's, and I was like, no wait, I'm at Connor's.
We all know
at
who the
my
real
home.
boyfriend is. In this
Brendan. And I was like,
I'm the
sorry, it's my
OG.
other boyfriend. Exactly, you are the OG.
Connor's got nothing on me.
Anyway, Brendan went to Chick-fil-A and he got me a sweet tea and fries, which I already ate all of, but they were very delicious. And we are just relaxing here and enjoying some beautiful Survivor. Gotta love it. Okay, back home now. I know I only got one clip at Brendan's, sorry, but we were just literally hanging out on his couch for hours, which is our favorite thing to do together, let's be honest.
And we're gonna resume that on Saturday.
Exactly, yeah. I told him that he should come and hang with us this weekend. And also, very funny, I meant to bring this up while I was there, but I looked at my time hop while I was there, and it's 5 years to the day since Brendan and I met, and we happen to be hanging out today. Like, what are the chances? But love it. It was very nice, reminiscing. Actually, he was like, this makes me sad. I was like, I know, sort of same. Anyway, so we're heading out to Connor's family's house, as I said, leaving the camera at home, and I'll check in with you guys a little later tonight. Woo woo! It's not a vlog without a Connor woo woo. Yeah. Alrighty, you guys, it is the next day, and I just thought I would wrap up this vlog here. Sorry I didn't check back in again last night. We were actually out so much later than expected. We were there until about midnight, and the wine was flowing, so I am not feeling my best this morning, but it was a really fun time. As I said, we're actually house sitting for Connor's cousins who we were with last night all this weekend, so I'm going over there later this afternoon to, you know, get all set up with their dog and all of that we're taking care of. Anyway, none of that is really relevant information right now, but I did get another clothing package, which is the last one of stuff that I ordered, so I thought I would open it and haul it for you guys. I'm excited to see what everything is like. So this is from a boutique called Up and Down. Oh my god. Okay. I am struggling. Anyway, this is from a boutique called Up and Down, and they have some really cute spring stuff, so very excited for that. So first up here, we just have this really cute little bodysuit. It's a really pretty baby blue color, perfect for spring. Ribbed, just basic, cute, easy to throw on. Next up, we have this midi dress. I don't really know how to hold this up properly so that you guys can see it. So it sort of has like this top and then like this part sort of comes down, and obviously this is like where your hips go, so you sort of see like the sides of your body here. And it's a midi dress, but it looks like it's gonna be freaking huge on me, as most midi dresses are. I was scared that might happen, so TBD whether I keep this or not. I obviously need to try it on. It's sort of nice. It has like this sort of deep slit in the back, so that's nice to give it a little bit of shape, but I either will return this or maybe I'll just like snip it into a mini dress. We'll see what happens. Either way, love this color, love like the little cut of the top. It's really cute. And last up, I got a new pair of trousers. I love trousers. They're like my favorite kind of pant to wear because I find them extremely comfortable, but they're also very stylish. So I got these really cute mint green trousers here, wide leg, super lightweight, has a cute little button detail there, and another great little spring item. So very excited about all of this. I don't know if this will be a try on or not, and obviously you guys will know if it is because you would have already seen those clips now. But I'm gonna wrap up this vlog here now, but thank you guys so much for watching today. Really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.